The product of mental labor, science, always stands far below its value because the labor time necessary to reproduce it has no relation at all to the labor time required for its original production. Meaning, of one of the fundamental contradictions, conflicts, and paradoxes regarding all sciences in the world is that it may be easy or even difficult to either understand, explore, and discover sciences through our research, knowledge, education, perseverance, dedication, and years of hard work. But we may discover them, we may study them and read them and acquire all of them in our minds. But the problem comes in their application. The problem arises when it comes to basically applying and utilizing all of those sciences that we have developed, evolved, progressed, and enhanced and acquired over years of practice into our actual circumstances and outside realities in which we actually live, dwell with everybody else. So theory in science or a literal science takes years of effort to ultimately become a reality. So in order for science to be ultimately transferred and transformed into technology, modern gadgets, and other advanced equipments, it takes years of research, development, knowledge, and constant perseverance, persistence, concentration, focus from not only the scientists but also from the discoverers and explorers of science and the readers as well. So there is fundamental difference between just reading science, just studying science as part of degrees and then acquiring those degrees. That does not fundamentally change anything at all, but the main task of science is practicality, to be able to change practical circumstances through scientific machinery and other tools that obviously has science about it in the form of either chemistry or physics or biology, because everything is physics, everything is chemistry when it comes to medicine. But to transform that theory and research paper and discovery of science into reality and into actual circumstances and living conditions, it takes generally years long time, dedication, devotion, hard work, and everything else, who knows. So science is very difficult, if not impossible, to transform into actual realities and living conditions in which we need it. Science is definitely required by the conditions in which we live to ease our lives, but that takes a lot of time. So reading and ultimately applying and transforming science into reality are completely different matters.